Scruffy?
Scruffy. But he's not going to be Scruffy at the end of the video.
Scruffless?
We can name him Scruff and change the name to Rough. Looks kind of like a lion. Alright, time to win.
When?
Welcome to Vet Ranch. Bob Marley. We just now named him Bob Marley.
That's a horrible name.
You don't like Bob Marley?
No. Stop.
I like that. We don't know what to name him. Maybe Scruffy. Or, I don't know. What should we name him? I like Bob. Look at this. This is a Bob.
No, it's not.
Keep rolling. This is Bob, and for now, and we just got him. He was just basically roaming the streets, and his hair looked pretty bad. Apparently, someone has already trimmed off the mats, and he is very vicious, as you can tell. And we're just going to neuter him and trim his hair a little more to make him even more adoptable. He has a bunch of stickers and some mats down here. And we'll show you the final product. We get lots of questions from our YouTube viewers as to why we're neutering. A lot of people say they want the option to choose if they can neuter a dog they adopt or whatever. The reason we do it is because of overpopulation. They euthanize tons of animals in the big city we live near. And it's just because there's so many animals and not enough homes. So every homeless animal we get, we neuter it to prevent this problem from just getting worse and worse. Just like it never happened, we're going to go ahead and shave his underside and the hard to get to places while he's still anesthetized, and then we will wake him up and do the top side. He's just waking up from anesthesia right now. He did well. Just kidding. We have too much time on our hands. He's doing great. He he came out of anesthesia fine after the neuter and after the shave down, and we're going to go ahead and give him a bath now. That's pretty funny though, you gotta admit. It is the day after surgery, and Bob, as you can see, is doing great. I put a post up on my Facebook page last night, and a lot of people were interested in adopting him, and I think we found someone to adopt him. So he is going to go with them today. And so yeah, go like my Facebook page. We put lots of behind the scenes stuff on there. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Thanks for supporting Vet Ranch and paying for old Bob's surgery with your donations. We will see you next time.
I know what you're going through. I know, 'cause I've been there too. I don't walk right and I don't